Hey guys, another quick video with this Jaguar XJ 2003. So a bit of an older vehicle. But as you can see, we are getting air suspension fault, vehicle too low. So when we initially scanned this with our Autel, thinking that it just needed a calibration doing, etc., it gave us a couple of different fault codes. One was to do with the level sensor, and another one was to say that the ECU itself was in a substate. I'm just going to get the fault codes up for you now. But a bit of a history on the car. The customer has replaced the ride height sensors front and rear. Not sure why, they just wanted to change them, so they've changed them. So that's been done. And since then, he's had a fault with the vehicle height. He's taken it to a garage because one of the airbags had popped. That had been replaced. And at the same time, they've changed the valve block, thinking it was a valve block. Tried to do the ride height calibration, but couldn't do it. Now, that's all I know about it from the garage and from what the customers told them. In terms of fault codes, I'll just show you quickly on the Autel when we first tried it with that. I mean, the main one we're looking at is that C2780 ECU in manufacturer substatus. So that's what we want to get rid of. Now, that noise you just heard is the airline that's just popped off on the side. It's loose, so the garage just told me that the airline is loose, so we'll just get them to stick that back on whilst we're doing this. But the ECU manufacturer substatus, so on the Autel, could not do anything at all with it. It just let me inflate it and deflate it, and that's it. It wouldn't let me do anything else. So what we're going to do is we're going to scan it with SDD, the official software, and I know that there's a function in there that can take that out of basically transport mode and put it into customer mode, which is basically where it's working. So we'll get that now. So we've got it up, we've scanned it through, we've gone through all the bits that we need to. So as you can see on here, there it is, the air suspension transport customer mode. So we'll run through this process on here now, and hopefully get it changed over from make sure the keys are switched off. So we'll just switch off the ignition but leave the key in. I'll just tick through that on the right hand side. So which air suspension mode would you like to set for? Well, we want to set it for custom mode, please. And tick that. Set the ignition switch to on. So we'll switch that on. Give it a little tick. Test complete. Click tick. Still got the fault. It says to switch the ignition to off. That's done. Tick. And that's it. That's all done. So what we'll do is we'll get that air thing put back in by the garage, and we'll see what faults it shows once we turn it back on. So the pipe has been repaired. Just gonna stick it back on. Let's see what it comes up with. So we've got
regularly format memory card for data integrity.
Sorry about that. So just vehicle too low. So
regularly format memory card for data integrity.
So the air suspension fault has gone. So it is just the vehicle too low. So I think what we'll do is we will run through the air suspension calibration function and get it all calibrated up. So let's see if we can run that now. Hopefully none of the airlines break off. So let's follow the instructions on here. Ignition in. So just doing. So brief drive with above 3 kilometers per hour in track mode. So we'll just do that quickly now. So as we did that, the side that had deflated there had come straight back up. Still showing the vehicle to low fault there, but we're just going to say we've done that. Yes, all vehicle related things have been fixed. Do you want to continue? Yes, and tick. Ignition switch to on, so we'll just turn it to ignition on and tick. So make sure the parking brake is on, which it is. Just put that on now. Transmission system, so make sure we choose the right one on here. Park is selected, it is. Start the engine. So we've got the air suspension fault now because it's in calibration mode. So we'll start the engine. Done that. So it should initialize. Wait for that to do. It is. So leveling in progress. Let that level up. Still got the air suspension fault here. So yeah, once that's done, we'll be back. So everything's done. You can see no errors on the dash. Restart her up. All the warning lights disappear. Job's a fish. Like and subscribe.